Managing contacts in PeoplePay. If there is a person you send money to often, you may find it beneficial to add that person to your contacts. When a person is listed in your contacts, you can save time by selecting their name from a drop-down menu instead of repeatedly entering their information. Here's how to do it. From the main screen, tap Menu. Select Manage Contacts from the menu options. Select Add New Recipient Contact. Enter a nickname for the recipient. This is the name that will appear on the drop-down menu when you're sending money. Then, type the recipient's information. You must have either an email address or a mobile phone number for the contact, but you can add both if you prefer. Please note, when you are sending money to a saved contact, you will not be asked to verify their contact information again before sending, so it is extremely important that you verify the information is correct before saving. After you have reviewed the information, tap Add Contact. Now let's see how to edit or delete a saved contact. From the main screen, tap Menu. Select Manage Contacts from the menu options. If you would like to update a saved contact, click Edit. Update the new information, verify that it is correct, and tap Update Contact. If you would like to delete a contact, select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete this contact. You will see a confirmation that the contact has been successfully deleted.